Hello student, myself Shikha Chaudhary, and in this video I will explain about one experiment of D Pharma second year, and the subject name is pharmaceutic second, and the subject code or the course code is DPHP 2051. So the aim of this experiment is to prepare and submit 10 gram baby talcum powder. In this experiment we will learn that how can we prepare 10 gram of baby talcum powder. So we will talk about the references. So these are the references. These are the books by which we take the procedure, either the calculation part of this experiment. Requirement apparatus which we require in this experiment or the glassware are beaker, measuring cylinder, glass rod, mortar, pestle, spatula, and balance. Chemicals: talc, boric acid, zinc citrate, and perfume. Formula: talc. If we will talk about the 100 gram of the preparation, if we are going to prepare 100 gram of talcum powder, then as per that quantity we need talc 85 gram, boric acid 5 gram, zinc citrate 10 gram, perfume quantity sufficient. But in this experiment, we are preparing only 10 gram of talcum powder. So, on the basis of current calculation or current requirement, we will need talc 8.5 gram, boric acid 0.5 gram, zinc citrate 1 gram, and perfume as it is, and that means quantity sufficient. Procedure: powder were weighed in increasing order of their weight. First, we have to weight all the required quantities, all the ingredients which we are going to use in this experiment. Powder sieved using sieve number 120. Either we can sieve all the ingredients before mixing or after mixing. It is totally up to you. Sieved powder are mixed with the help of pestle and mortar. All the sieved ingredients we will mix together with mortar and pestle. The prepared powder packed in amber colored jar, plastic container with screw cap. After the mixing all the ingredients, we packed in amber colored jar. That container have a screw cap because it is a powder, so it is very much necessary to prevent it from moisture environment. Storage: store in a dry place. Direction: the powder should not be applied on broken skin and meant for external use only. While we are preparing the label of our preparation, which we prepared in our lab, that is talcum powder, so we should also mention the special indications or the instruction that contain that it should not be applied on the broken skin, or it is only for external use. It is used as antiseptic and absorbent preparation. Basically, baby talcum powder is used as antiseptic and absorbent preparation because it contains both the properties antiseptic and absorbent. Result: the baby body talcum powder was prepared and submitted to the laboratory. So this is the complete procedure and the references and the glassware and equipment which we required in this experiment. Now moving to the lab, in which I will tell you that how can you uh, prepare the talcum powder. So while we are writing down in the experiment in our experiment notebook, so we should also mention the theory part related to this experiment. So as we are preparing baby talcum powder, so we will write about the powder and the definition of talcum powder. You can write it from any book, either from your theory book or any book, and from which book you are writing it in your experiment notebook, you should mention the reference of that particular book. So so in this experiment we can write the definition and about the powder. So basically, powder contain a dry bulk solid composed of many fine particles that may flow freely with shaken on titled. So basically, powder that is dry bulk solid composed, it means that have many fine particles that may flow freely due to the fine particles Powders are a special subclass of granular material. Basically, powder is a kind of or an example of solid dosage form. So, the special subclass of granular material, first we have granular material. After the size separation or sorry size reduction, we will get the fine particles. Either, although the term powder is granular, are sometimes used to distinct different separate classes the material. In the case of powders, we have different type of powder. Even it can have a granular texture or a fine texture. In case as we are preparing talcum powder, and especially in the name or in the aim we have mentioned that baby talcum powder, so the granules should be fine or the particles of this powder should be fine, so that it does not cause rashes on the baby skin. So you can in this way you can write about the powder, either it is talcum powder, coarse particles, granules, and the definition of powder. You can describe about the powder as much as you can. In the theory part you can also mention the advantages and disadvantages of the powder. So if we will talk about the advantages of the powder, so basically it is not a in a shape, so in the during the transportation there is no loss of powder because it doesn't have any particular shape like tablet or capsule. And the disadvantage is also that it easily gain moisture. If you are not gonna to store in a well closed container, then your powder can gain moisture and degradation can take place.
So before starting any experiment, any practical in our laboratory, first we have to clean our counter where we are going to perform this experiment. So as per the calculation, as per the quantity that is given in the object of the experiment, that is 10 gram. So as per that calculation, now we have zinc citrate 1 gram, boric acid 0.5 gram, and talc is 8.5 gram. Now in the next step, what we will do, we will take mortar and pestle and add all the ingredients in this. This is talc powder, boric acid, and zinc citrate. After that, mix it properly. After mixing it properly, the next step will be, we will take sieve to sieve out our preparation, and sieve size will be 44. And take a plain paper, make sure that paper should not have any dust particle. Place the sieve on the paper and transfer all the preparation to the sieve. And sieve the preparation. You can use spatula or glass rod to make sieving easy. Now as you can see, here are some large particles which does not cross this sieve size, which are not able to cross this sieve size. So put this sieve aside, and now we have a final preparation that is talcum powder, 10 gram of talcum powder.